Everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Star and I'm sharing with you 3 green smoothies. First, starting out with some carrot juice, chia seeds, kale, green apple, green pepper, celery, and of course the icing on the smoothie will be lemon juice. So at this point, you just want to grab a piece of lemon and just squeeze a little bit of the juice out. And be mindful because the seed did fall into my cup, so I got that really quickly. And then you want to add some filtered water and blend it all up. I like to use water because it gives the consistency of a juice, although I have everything still with the skin and the flesh of all the veggies and the fruit. Blend it all up, get your nice container, pour it inside, and there you go. I like to have green juices in the morning because it helps with my digestive system, get everything awakened and flowing, and it just tastes oh so yummy. And here I am tasting it for you all. This is one of my top ones. Next, going into another smoothie, I just threw in a little bit of jazz with the dates there. I add some coconut milk this time because I wanted it to be a little bit more thicker than normal. So I added the dates, the mango, the pineapple, kale, and a banana. But I would say it was good, but I think I will hold off on the dates because they were a little bit too difficult to blend. I had to keep blending it over and over. It was like really hard and it has like a taste to it. But I did add in my chia seeds and my flax seeds. Out of the 3, I think I like this one the best with the cucumber, green pepper, green apple, kale, along with some spinach I threw in there. I don't know what's the difference between this and the others, but it just went down really smooth. It blended up really well. I think it's because I had a lot of the cucumber, and the cucumber has a lot of water content on top of the water I already added in to blend it. But this one was my favorite of the 3, but I like all of them. But this one I would do like every day, and I'll freeze it, put it in a container, and then I'll defrost it and I'll just have it on the go. But I'm learning to have a variety of different smoothies. That way I can never just get stuck on one, because we all know once you get stuck on one thing, your body doesn't absorb it as much as it once did when you first started. But anyway, hope you guys like this 3 smoothie recipes, and please leave me a comment, share, and comment to my other videos and chat with me, and I look forward to speaking with you. Please subscribe and have a nice day.